Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your Stripe account name. It's a very simple process and we'll guide you through how to do it. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred browser. For now, I'll open my Google Chrome. Once you're on your browser, navigate to the Stripe official website. Now simply log in and go to your account. Once you are logged in and you are on the main dashboard, you're gonna go to the settings. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Again, select the settings option. In the settings menu, here you can see the business section. Tap on business. Here you can see the details of your account. You can see your account name over here. Now in order to change your account name, tap on the account name field and enter your new account name. After you enter your new account name, there is a save button. Tap on it to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed the account name of your Stripe account. You can see your changes over here. Your account name has been changed. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your account name in your Stripe account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.